Listen, I spent years working on nuclear power systems before I ever stepped foot into a residential attic. Let me tell you, the physics of heat transfer doesn't care if you're in a reactor or a ranch-style home. You want equipment that's built to last and electrically efficient. Today we're doing a fair apple-to-apple comparison between two heavy hitters in the ducted split heat pump world. The Frigidaire FSH4BE and the Amana ALZS5B. When we look at these units from a service perspective, the first thing I check is how the manufacturer protects the most vulnerable part, the outdoor coil. Both of these models feature superior armor with louvered steel panels. In the field, I've seen stray rocks from lawnmowers and heavy hail flatten wire mesh coils, which kills your efficiency and eventually your compressor. These louvered cabinets are a must-have for durability. Additionally, the Amana model includes a compressor blanket, which helps with noise reduction, whereas the Frigidaire model does not. Technically, we are looking at basic tier systems, which means they use single-stage compressor technology. As an electrician, I appreciate the simplicity here. Less complex electronics to fail, but you do sacrifice some utility savings compared to variable speed units. Both units are very close in heating efficiency, but the Amana ALZS5B edges ahead with an HSPF of 7.8 compared to the Frigidaire FSH4BE's 7.5. That higher HSPF means the Amana is squeezing a bit more heat out of every watt of electricity you pay for during those cold winter months. Have you ever had a coil fail because of hail or a stray rock from a mower? Tell me your stories below. This is where the rubber meets the road. Both brands offer a standard 10-year parts and compressor warranty. However, the no-hassle coverage is the tiebreaker. The Frigidaire FSH4BE comes with a 10-year unit replacement warranty. That means if your compressor fails within the first decade, they don't just send a new part. They replace the entire outdoor unit. The Amana ALZS5B offers 0 years of unit replacement coverage in this category, while the Amana has a slight lead in efficiency and includes a compressor blanket for quieter operation. The winner today is the Frigidaire FSH4BE. When you're making a long-term investment in your home, that 10-year unit replacement warranty is a massive safety net that the Amana just doesn't provide at this level. To shop like a pro, head over to the HVAC for Beginners website and use my head-to-head tool to compare over 170 models. Make sure you hit subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one.